Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener, a time to nurture the gardens of body, mind, and spirit. I'm Marion Owen. What if I told you that an African violet could help you live to be 120 years old? You might think me daffy, yet studies show that the simple act of viewing healthy green plants provides a calming domino effect, improving our well-being. I'll explain. 75% of doctors' visits are attributed to stress-related disorders like fatigue, high blood pressure, and depression. Having plants around helps us relax. When you camp out in the woods, pick strawberries, or visit a greenhouse filled with flowers, your cares melt away. We already spend 90% of our time indoors, so getting back to nature, even to gaze at an African violet, moves us toward our ultimate goal, that is, to know peace of mind. You can accomplish peace of mind by understanding a little bit about how your mind affects your body. Sages of India have a hypothesis. There's a fixed number of times the heart is meant to beat each year. The number is something like 40 million. While you can argue about the exact number, I think you'll agree that the heart, like any sturdy pump, has a limited working span. Any mechanic will tell you pumps running at high speeds usually burn out sooner and require more maintenance than pumps running at slow speeds. Now here's the brilliant touch. Positive emotions are always slower and less stressful than negative ones. You can see for yourself. The next time you are getting angry and are about to blow your top, check your pulse and breathing rhythm. They're all speeded up. Your entire physiological system has been thrown into overdrive. This means when you're angry, jealous, worried, or filled with fear, your 40 million beats per year lasts, say, 10 months instead of 12. You've just lost 2 months of your life. On the bright side, the sages, and now many Western researchers, give some practical advice. If, when you're under attack, you can be patient, go for a stroll in your garden instead of lashing out in retaliation, if you can learn to return goodwill for ill will, and even help those who are unkind to you, then your 40 million beats, instead of lasting for 12 months, will last for 14. You've gained 2 months of life. With a little help from our friends, the plants, may the beats go on and on and on. For the UpBeet Gardener, I'm Marion Owen.